Falcon the chicken bird is a fierce aerial combatant, known for its swift flight and powerful aerial assaults. Venom the chicken bird exudes an aura of darkness and power in the fighting arena. Doctor Strange the chicken bird possesses mystical powers and a deep understanding of the fighting arts. Star-Lord the chicken bird is a charismatic fighter, known for its witty banter and impressive combat skills. Hawkeye the chicken bird is a master marksman in the fighting arena. Wolverine the chicken bird is a tenacious and fierce fighter in the ring. With immense strength and an explosive temper, Hulk smashes through opponents with sheer power. Darkseid the chicken bird exudes an aura of darkness and malevolence in the fighting ring. Daredevil the chicken bird is a fearless and acrobatic fighter, relying on heightened senses and impeccable reflexes. Captain Marvel the chicken bird possesses incredible cosmic powers in the fighting arena. Thank you for watching. I look forward to your subscriptions, likes and comments on this video.